And it feels like an eternity since I had you here with me, since I had to learn to be someone you don't know. To be with you